To download QuickBooks on your laptop, follow these steps. First, ensure your laptop meets the system requirements for QuickBooks, which include a minimum of 2 GB of RAM, 2.4 GHz processor, and a 64-bit version of Windows 10. Next, go to the official Intuit website and click on the QuickBooks product you want to download, such as QuickBooks Pro or QuickBooks Premier. Choose the version of QuickBooks that suits your business needs and click on the Buy Now or Free Trial button. If you have already purchased QuickBooks, sign in to your Intuit account using your user ID and password. If not, create a new account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Downloads and Updates page and select the QuickBooks product you want to download. Choose the correct version and click on the Download button. The download process may take several minutes, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install QuickBooks, which may include accepting the license agreement, choosing the installation location, and selecting the components to install. After the installation is complete, launch QuickBooks and activate it using your license and product number. You can find this information in the confirmation email sent by Intuit or on the packaging if you purchased a physical copy. To activate QuickBooks, go to the Help menu, select Activate QuickBooks, and enter your license and product number. Finally, set up your QuickBooks company file by following the on-screen instructions, which include creating a new company, setting up your accounting preferences, and adding your business information. By following these steps, you can successfully download and install QuickBooks on your laptop and start managing your business finances efficiently. Remember to always download QuickBooks from the official Intuit website to ensure you get the genuine product and to avoid any potential risks.